Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The simple pleasure of cocoa drinks, history, health, and homemade recipes. Few drinks have the global appeal of cocoa. From ancient ceremonial brews to modern coffee shop favorites, it's been warming hands and lifting moods for centuries. Today, it's not just about nostalgia. Artisanal cocoa drinks are having a moment, blending tradition with new twists on flavor and health. This video explores cocoa's rich history, its cultural roots, and how simple ingredients can turn into something special. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to homemade cocoa, there's always more to discover. The rich history of cocoa drinks. Cocoa drinks have a story that stretches back thousands of years, far beyond the modern cups we know today. What started as a sacred ritual drink became a global staple, evolving with each culture that embraced it. Let's trace its journey, from ancient ceremonies to your morning mug. Ancient origins and rituals. Long before chocolate bars existed, the Mayans and Aztecs prized cocoa for its rich, bitter flavor and spiritual significance. They believed it was a gift from the gods, reserved for royalty, warriors, and sacred ceremonies. A drink fit for kings. The Mayans crushed cocoa beans, mixed them with water, chili, and cornmeal, then poured the frothy brew between cups to create a foam, a technique still used in some traditional recipes today. More than a beverage. Aztecs used cocoa beans as currency. A single bean could buy you a tortilla. 100 might secure a turkey. Drinking it was a luxury few could afford. This wasn't the sweet, creamy cocoa we love now. The original versions were strong, spiced, and sometimes even fermented, a far cry from today's comfort drink. From Mesoamerica to Europe. When Spanish explorers brought cocoa back to Europe in the 1500s, it was an exotic novelty. At first, its bitter taste didn't sit well with European palates, until someone had the idea to add sugar and spices. Sweet reinvention. European aristocrats blended cocoa with cinnamon, vanilla and honey, turning an acquired taste into a status symbol. The birth of hot chocolate. By the 1700s, chocolate houses, precursors to modern cafes, sprang up in London and Paris, serving hot chocolate as a luxury drink for the elite. The drink became smoother, richer, and more accessible as technology improved. But it took one major revolution to bring it to the masses. Industrial Revolution and commercialization. The 19th century changed everything. New machines made cocoa powder easier to produce, and brands like Van Outen and Cadbury turned it into a household staple. Powder power. Dutch chemist Coenraad van Outen invented a press to remove cocoa butter, creating a powder that dissolved easily in water or milk. This made it cheaper and simpler to prepare. Mass appeal. By the early 1900s, companies added sugar and dried milk, creating instant cocoa mixes. Brands like Nestlé and Hershey's turned it into a childhood classic. What began as a ceremonial drink became an everyday indulgence, proof that even the oldest traditions can adapt without losing their magic. Health benefits of cocoa drinks. Cocoa isn't just a cozy drink, it packs a serious nutritional punch. The beans used to make cocoa contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your physical and mental health. But not all cocoa drinks are created equal. Let's break down the science-backed benefits and clear up common myths. Nutritional profile of cocoa. Cocoa is rich in minerals and bioactive compounds. A single cup of unsweetened cocoa provides magnesium to support muscle and nerve function and help regulate blood pressure. It provides iron, which is essential for oxygen transport in the blood. It has flavonoids, potent antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect cells. And it offers fiber, typically 2 to 3 grams, aiding digestion. These nutrients work together to support heart health, energy levels, and even skin protection. Unlike processed sweets, raw or minimally processed cocoa retains these benefits. Mental and physical health perks. Cocoa's compounds do more than nourish the body, they sharpen the mind. Mood booster. Cocoa contains phenylethylamine, PEA, a natural compound linked to improved mood and focus. Studies suggest it stimulates endorphin release, that feel-good effect you get after a sip. Brain function. The flavonoids in cocoa may enhance memory and reduce mental fatigue by boosting blood flow to the brain. Heart support. Regular consumption of flavonoid-rich cocoa is tied to lower blood pressure and improved circulation, reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. You don't need a sugary latte to get these perks. A small square of dark chocolate or a homemade cocoa drink with minimal sweetness can deliver the same benefits. Debunking myths about cocoa and sugar. Many assume cocoa drinks are unhealthy due to sugar, but the problem isn't cocoa itself. Quality matters. Mass-produced mixes often strip away antioxidants and add processed sugars. Look for cocoa powders labeled non-alkalized, like natural or raw cocoa, to retain nutrients. Sugar isn't inherent. Traditional Aztec cocoa contained zero added sugar. The bitterness comes from pure cocoa. Sweetness is a modern addition. Better alternatives. Try sweetening with a touch of honey, maple syrup, or mashed banana. Or embrace the bold flavor with spices like cinnamon or cayenne. Cocoa's bad reputation comes from sugary imitations. The real thing is closer to a superfood than a dessert. That wraps up part 1 of our journey into the world of cocoa drinks. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into more delicious recipes and some fun facts you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.